So today I decided to be a racer, and I already screwed up painting there, but whatever. Screw it. I took off all my freaking hubcaps because I'm a racer on the inside, and I wanted black hubcaps because right now I'll show you my Versa, but it was just looking kind of gay because it's already a pretty gay car. But took the hubcaps off, kind of oiled them down. So it looks pretty black and kind of nice, kind of not. Looks like a hoopty now. Also, I chopped my muffler off, so the straight pipe from the resonator. It's not even that loud though. It doesn't even sound like a Honda. It sounds okay. It sounds throatier and meaner, but meaner for a 4-cylinder. That's what I'm trying to say. But anyways, in my little ghetto paint booth here, I'm just painting these. Gonna clean them off, paint them all, throw them back in the car. Fuck it. Yeah, I love this car so far. It's gay as hell. It's probably one of the gayest cars you could drive around, a Nissan Versa. But it's gonna be turning into a rice bucket, which is the funny part. And then you got my mom over here driving around a Nismo RS Juke. Okay. My dad drives a 240Z Datsun that he did a lot of work to. I could maybe make a video on that sometime. That thing's nice. And then he also has a Nissan Rogue. So we're just a Nissan family out here, except for like 2 Mustangs and a bunch of Ford trucks. Here's some hubcaps right now. They look like junk, but this is just the first coat, so you're not really supposed to have everything covered. It's just to get it all tacky and shit. I'll let that do its thing probably for, I don't know, 20 minutes, come back and spray paint it. Okay, so I just popped the second coat on. It's starting to look okay. Still rice as hell, but they're gonna hopefully look a lot better than this jank ass fucking, like, what is that? Alright, so I just finished up with the clear coat. So I put like 5 coats of black, 2 coats of clear, and I say they turned out pretty freaking nice. But they are. Alright, so it's the next day, and here's the car. They turned out pretty freaking nice for being such a ghetto job. Get in the back of a freaking U-Haul. Makes the car look a lot nicer, and makes my car look like it's really high and needs some lowering springs. But I'm not going to do that because it's low enough already. But here's the final product. Turned out real nice, and I'm happy with it.